What if the person you trusted most was hiding their darkest truth? Verity isn't your usual romance. It's a psychological storm. A struggling writer is offered the job of a lifetime, stepping into another author's unfinished world. But inside that house, the pages she finds aren't fiction. Every sentence pulls her deeper into obsession, fear, and the question that will haunt you until the very last word: what's real and what's a lie? This is Colleen Hoover at her most chilling, tense, seductive, and impossible to put down. Verity will keep you reading long after you should have turned out the light.